Hi, this is Daniel from Stilero Web Design. I'm gonna show some settings of the Joomla extension instaGallery that shows your Instagram images on Joomla websites. Begin by going to Module Manager and then you're gonna filter by entering INST and click on search, so you'll only see the instaGallery extension. The next thing I'm gonna do is to pick menu assignment, and I'll pick all pages here to make the Instagram images show on every page. For image type, I'm gonna leave this as it is. Recent user images will show my latest images, and I'm just gonna change this to perhaps 10 to only show my 10 latest images. Next, click on save. We're gonna go to the website and update, and this will show my latest 10 images. You can also tweak this. Let's say you don't want to show the likes and comments. You can pick no here and click on save. This will make the likes and comments disappear to give you a cleaner look. We can try it by clicking the image and it will show a bigger version of the image. You can also change the appearance to, instead of lightbox effect, you can link the image to Instagram instead. And then what happens is that when you click on an image, you'll be directed to Instagram. So you can pick whatever you like. I'm gonna stick with lightbox because it's my favorite. Click on save. Let's say that you want to show a title and a text before the images. It is possible by entering a pretext here, and this is you can enter HTML code in here. So let's say I'm just gonna enter, this is my pretext. And by the way, I also want to show a title. Just gonna enter the HTML code like this and save. And what happens is that text is now shown before my images. Let's say I also want to show some text after the images. Do the same. Subscribe. And click on save. And this is my little text. There are lots of different image types. The first one is recent user images, which is the latest images from the user that authorized the instaGallery app. I can also choose to show a user feed, for example, images that I subscribe to, or images from the users I subscribe to. These are the 10 latest images in my feed, and it works similar to recent user images. You can change the appearance and how the images are linked. User likes shows the latest images that I've liked. Click on update, and these are only the images that I've liked through the Instagram app on the iPhone or Android. I can pick user followers, and this shows the profile pictures of my followers. If it looks like this, it usually means an anonymous user or somebody that hasn't uploaded any images. You can also choose images that you follow or users that you follow. Let's say you want to show user images from another user. So just gonna pick this one, Ice Yas. Can enter a profile name here. And this will show the latest images from this user instead of the authorized user. Let's say you want to show the current most popular images on Instagram. Choose image type most popular, and these are the currently most popular images on Instagram. Let's say you only want to show images with a certain tag name, tagged with a certain name. Pick image type tag name and enter a tag name, for instance, skateboard. So only show images that are tagged with the tag skateboard. Click on save and update. All these images has the tag skateboard in it. Perhaps you like oceans, tag name ocean, and update. You can also choose to show images based on the location. Then you need to enter a longitude and latitude, and the distance tells you how far away from the center point in meters that are allowed. I'm gonna just look up a location here to use. I'm actually gonna use my current location and to show only the images taken from within 1,000 meters from my current location. Latitude is 57.808086. I'm gonna start with 1,000 meters. Perhaps it's not enough, but we'll see. And it didn't find any images because there aren't any images in around, so I'm gonna raise this to 5,000 meters instead and update. Didn't find any images at all. So I guess nobody takes pictures from this location. I'm in the middle of nowhere right now. I'm gonna change it a bit. No, no images. If I swap these, perhaps? No, couldn't find any images. Too bad. Another thing, if you chose user feed and have a username that's not your own, then the images won't show because you are not authorized to show these images. And I think it's the same with user likes. I'm not sure. Yes, it's the same. They're not public, so that's why you cannot access them. A cool thing about this module is that you're not restricted to only use one. You can actually add a couple of modules that display different things from Instagram. Let's say I just wanna. I'm gonna pick a different location for this one. I'm gonna show this on position 7. You can use the same client ID and secret, or you could actually create an application for another user to use that user. So you're not restricted to your own account. Gonna save, and this will show 2 different types of images from Instagram. These are my images, and these are the images from a certain user. Let's say I want to show my followers 5, my top 5 followers. Click on save. This shows my followers on Instagram, and this shows images from a user.